Every day, industries release harmful gases during processes like welding and painting. These pollutants pose significant health risks to workers and contribute to environmental degradation. Capturing pollutants at the source is the best solution for effective control. Green Ladder source capture technology targets pollutants right where they are generated, preventing their spread. By capturing contaminants at the source, we protect workers' health and maintain a cleaner facility. Explore solutions like odor control filters and VOC neutralizers. Discover the range of products designed for source capture, including the Green Matrix flat panel and GLT V-Bank filters. These solutions can be easily integrated into your facility to enhance air quality and safety, ensuring a healthier workplace. By adopting Green Ladder source capture technology, you ensure a healthier workplace and contribute to environmental sustainability. Explore our range of products and integrate them into your facility for a cleaner, safer environment.